Hey everybody, welcome back to Anime Summit Extra! Gonna play some Blasphemous 2, and I'm gonna show some people how I do the Eviterno fight, because some people think the second phase is really hard, and it is really hard. It's not that hard to me. I don't know, I mean it is, but like, I don't know, I see some people complaining that like they should have nerfed him or something, and I disagree. I think it's just the right amount of hard. Just use the weapons that you're comfortable with, use all the beads that are the best defense. You know, your favorite prayers. This, and I'm mostly mentioning this for the second fight, not this fight. The second phase is what people are talking about. But this one, we'll get it out of the way. So I can show you what I do. And I'm not like some awesome god player, okay? Like I'm gonna get hit a lot, and yeah. I'm gonna use all my vials probably, but alright. I play fast and loose, okay? I want to win, okay? I'm not trying to dodge every fucking thing, you know. I do it when I can, I move when I can, and I still make mistakes. I still get hit a lot, so, but you can do it, okay? It's not that hard. Oh, I skipped that line. I love that line. I shouldn't have skipped it. No, seriously, just dodge when you can. Hit him when you can. And also, I have my blood pack, so like it'll heal me. So we'll activate that, like if I have to. Also, I mean, we'll just activate it so because I think it's really strong. You know what I mean? Plus, I have it imbued with lightning right now, so. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I shouldn't have wasted that. That's okay. Oh, I thought I had that. See? Also, like, parry when you can. Like, you can parry when he goes behind you like that. Watch. Ooh! Okay, not that. Don't parry. You can't parry that. Alright, I gotta calm down here. There we go. There we go. See? Oh! Now I wasted my ray gun. He's gonna do the big slash right here, so just get out of the way. he's getting desperate, so he's going to do that a lot towards the end. See? That's it. Just do the best you can. Dodge when you can. Parry when you can. And take... Look, that took me... I'm looking at my clock right now. It took me 2 to 5 minutes to do the whole thing. So, just do it. Nothing to it. That's it. That's it. Nothing to it. It's very obvious when he's going to do the kind of slash he's going to do. That's it. He doesn't need to be nerfed. You just need to do better. That's it. I don't mean that in like a mean way. I don't mean like, oh, get good. I just mean like, you know, I just played fast and loose and not very good. And I still, you know what I mean? I still did it. So, there you go. I've been Sam. This is Anime Summit Extra. Hope you enjoyed it. And KaiGodIsAll.com. You're a bitch.